Mega Boom 3?
Mega Boom! Yes, Mega Boom 3. Here comes the boom! Guys, we're about to surpass our highest viewed live ever. Y'all should be out, son of a fish!
You butthead!
I am getting eaten by these flies! I am about to go run. Yeah, they're eating me.
Oh my god.
Did not get it. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, what are we tree on?
Let's do some Oliver Tree. Life goes on. Life goes on. Thank you, Salim. If one more of those freaking flies lands on me and makes me bleed, I am going to take a torch and I'm going to burn them all to the ground. Can y'all hear the music? Nah, can you hear it in my life? Oh, we cannot get thunder when it is connected. I am dumb. Oh, okay, good. Good deal. I see it. It is the flies. They are biting. Yeah, I'm getting toasty. Nowhere. I'm just hanging out. Y'all get to listen to my singing. Brad's one's just like, I just want to chill and enjoy the beach. Oh, that's expensive. We do not need to do that. Thank you guys for the follows. Yes, because I am getting lost and these flies are eating me. I will tell you. Like with the boombox on my shoulder. Oh shit, the phone is up there, is it not? Thank you guys for the follows. I appreciate y'all. It helps me a lot. Oh, did you get that? Oh my! I am so red! It does not like being away from its phone that it is connected to. I don't know. I am so roasted. Okay, hold on. It's not that. Okay. To Oliver Tree because he was an amazing musician. I don't know, guys. If y'all are in here, hit that repost button. Hold my forehead down. That's gross. We got the waves coming in. Hey, waves are